Hello, and here's another exciting video regarding getting your signature set up so that you can acquire more business. So in your signature, I always recommend you go to settings, general in your Gmail, and then go in here and set it up. I always like to see the logo and then, the company name and then the address underneath it. I like this call/text, this number, because people prefer to text these days rather than just calling. And you should always add in your website address, but it should be your Zap website address. So what you would do is you go in here to Century 21 online, and this is where you find the hyperlinks to go to the websites that you want to go to. So you go here to Zap in the top right hand corner, hit login to Zap, and then you log in. And then what you do is you find your picture on the top right hand corner, and then you click on My Website. Here you'll see two URL links. One is for your website, you can copy that, and one is for your mobile app, and you can copy that. So what you do is you just hit copy, go here. So then what you do is you just simply paste it in here. I'll delete this one right here for now. Whoops. And then you just simply highlight it and hyperlink it and then test it out. So click here just to test it and make sure it goes to your Zap individual website, has your photo, your name on it, and all that good stuff. And when buyers and sellers log in to your website, you will capture their information and it will go into your database management system through Zap. Over here, I'm going to copy the mobile URL, pop that into this section here. So what I did here is I put in, see great deals on your phone, and I'm going to change that to the hyperlink that goes directly to my Zap mobile. Click OK. You can change this too. If you click on this and click change, you can use text to display, and you could say view this website for great deals. You can type whatever you want in there. Have it say whatever you want. You could have it a URL typed in there, www.lisapsellshomes.com. Whatever your URL is, you can put that in there. But what you want to do is you want to change the URL in which it is going to in this section right here. Okay? So that's how you do it. I want to click OK. And then if someone clicks on this, it'll go right to that website. And if someone's on their mobile device, which most people are, and they click on this and they go here, they'll have the ability to download your mobile app. And the huge benefit to this, of course, is that you're capturing leads in a very robust system, which is the Zap system. So you're able to set up text, automated texts and emails, and you can attach follow-up plans to these people that are, that you're getting into these websites with. So pretty cool stuff. I thought you'd really benefit from this a great deal, because I see some of you aren't really capitalizing on this as much as you can or should be. So have fun, and I know that this will bring you at least 2 to 3 additional sales per year by following this process that I just shared with you. Have a great day, and as my friend Billy Crystal says, have fun storming the castle.